I started. What are we gonna say?
We're gonna do a sprite
Sprite
challenge. Okay. So neither of us can burp, and we have to chug the whole thing. You ready? Set, go. It's really cold.
So cold. Oh god.
I can feel it. Ow, my stomach.
I don't like this.
Oh, my stomach. You lost.
I lost. I knew I was. I burped again. Oh, she's still going. I lost so bad. Oh, my stomach. I bet that's making you feel jealous right now.
Not at all. Oh, my stomach. Oh.
I'm just gonna keep drinking it.
Oh, my stomach. Oh, my stomach. Oh. Oh. It hurts.
Oh, mine's starting to hurt too.
I can't even burp at this point. Oh my gosh.